Good morning, everyone. Good morning, 7th graders. How are you? Today I'll give you the fifth lesson in this unit, Unit 3, 3.5, dividing decimals. Now, let's start. When you divide an integer or a decimal number by a single digit number, it may not divide exactly. Right? It's like 25 divided by 4. 25 divided by 4. It's not an exactly number. Now, how can I divide this number? Then you will need to continue the division to a given number of decimal places. When you do this, make sure that you work out the answer to one decimal place more than you are asked for. Then round your answer to the appropriate degree of accuracy. Example, let's take an example to explain these things. Work out 68 divided by 7. Give your answer correct to one decimal place. You need to round your answer to correct one decimal place. One decimal place, it means tenths. Now, look, how can I solve this question? 68 divided by 7. 68 inside the division sign and 7 outside the division sign. Now, you are asked to give your answer to one decimal place, so you need to work out the answer to two decimal places first. Now, look. Write 68 as 68.00. I'll tell you why. Now, 6 divided by 7 cannot be done, right? Why cannot be done? Because 6 is smaller than 7. Now, work out 68. 68 divided by 7, something here, you can multiply it by 7, it will give you around 68 or less than 68, closer to 68, which is 9. Remember the times table 9. Why I choose 9? Since 9 times 7, 9 times 7, 63. Again, 6 divided by 7 we can, so 68 divided by 7, which is 9, 9 times 7, 63, then subtract. 8 minus 3, 5, 6 minus 6, 0. Now look, you need to put here the point, the decimal point, and you need to add 0. This is from you, right? You need to add 0. Now, 50 divided by 7 equals 7. Since 7 times 7, 49. Now subtract. 50 minus 49, this is 1, this is 1, this is 4. 50 minus 49, 1. Add another 0. You add another 0. 10 divided by 7 equals 1. 1 times 7, 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Stop. Since here, you need to write your answer to correct one decimal place. Just you need to get two decimal places. So you need to round 9.71 to the nearest one decimal place. So here, the solution equals, look, I want to round to the nearest one decimal place. This is 7. Look at the right of 7, which is 1. 1 is less than 5. So here 7 stays 7. So here the answer 9.7, one decimal place. Now let's take another example. Work out 2.35 divided by 4. Give your answer to correct two decimal places. So you need to find from your answer 3 decimal places to round it to 2 decimal places. So here write 2.35 divided by 4, right? this is inside the division sign, 4 is outside the division sign. When you are asked to give your answer to 2 decimal places, so you need to work out the answer to 3 decimal places first. Now write the calculations like that, or the operation like that. Now look, 2 divided by 4 cannot be done. Yeah, cannot be done. Now, what I have to do, since it cannot be done, now we need to take 23 together. Put the point up. You can write here 0 in the blank space. Again, 2 divided by 4, we can't do it, so we need to divide 2.3 or 23 divided by 4, so you need to put it up. You need to put the point up. Now 23 divided by 4, 23 divided by 4, which is 5. 5 times 4, which means 20. Now minus 23 minus 20, which means 3. Bring down the 5. Now 35 divided by 4, which means 8. Since 8 times 4, 32. 35 minus 32, the remainder is 3. We need to continue. Now there is no number here, we need to bring it down, so you add 0. 30 divided by 4, which is 7. 7 times 4, 28. 30 minus 28, stop, خلاص. Here I got 1 decimal place, the second, the third one, so we need to round this number to the nearest 2 decimal places. Look here, this is the second decimal place. Look at 7. 7 is more than 5, so here 8 becomes 9. So here the solution 0.59, 2 decimal places. Again, 2.35 divided by 4. 2 we count by 4, put 0 up and bring down. What's here, the point, the decimal point up. Then 23 divided by 4, 5. 5 times 4, 20. 23 minus 23, bring down the 5. 35 by 4, 8. 8 times 4, 32. 35 minus 32, which is 3. You need to add 0, because here there is no number. You need to bring it down, so here you have to put zeros. 30 by 4, 7. 7 times 4, 28. The subtraction equals 2. Stop, because here you need to write your answer to correct 2 decimal places. So I got 3 decimal places. This is 8. 7 is more than 5. 8 becomes 9. Now, it's an example. In an experiment, a scientist mixes together 3 substances. She mixes 18.42 gram of substance A, 5.80 gram of substance B, and 0.75 gram of substance C. Then she divides the mixture equally into 4 containers. So here, what is the mass of the mixture in each container? First of all, we need to add the amount of the 3 substances. So here 18.42 plus 5.8 plus 0.75, in the empty blank 0, and these together. This is 0 and 0. 2 plus 0 plus 5, 7. 4 plus 8, 12. 12 plus 7, 19, 9. Put the point down and carry 1 up. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 0, 14. 4 down and 1 up. 1 plus 1 and nothing, 2. So here the sum of the mixture. Now, after that, she divides the mixture equally into 4 containers. So we need to divide this number by 4. So here 24.97 gram divided by 4. I used the division sign because here the mixture equally into 4 containers. Now 2 divided by 4 we can't. 24 divided by 4, yeah, we can do it. 6 times 4, 24. Now 24 minus 24, 0. Now here the point, put the point up. Now bring down the 9. 9 divided by 4, which is 2. 2 times 4, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down the 7. Now 17 divided by 4. It's about 4. 4 times 4, 16. 17 minus 16, 1. You can add a 0. Here you can add a 0. 10 divided by 4. 2. 2 times 4, 8. 10 minus 8, which is 10 minus 8, which is 2. You add another 0. 20 divided by 4, 5. 5 times 4, 20. The remainder is 0. You should stop. So here the solution. Here, what is the mass of the mixture in each container? Equals 6.2425 gram in each container. Now, don't forget your homework, page 21, question 1 to question 4. Thank you for listening and have a good day.